Hi, Leslie here with another daily nature journaling video. So today I thought we would continue writing and sketching as usual with my daily videos, and continue incorporating the heart-centered practice. So just really intentionally bringing in the heart-centered practice. So today I thought it would be interesting to explore texture. And so I'm going to leave it open to you to write about some textures that you see in your environment, something that leaps out to you. So take a couple minutes to write about texture and pause the video and come back, and then we'll go from there and do some sketching. Okay, how did that go? I didn't get too far, actually. I didn't get to write too much in 2 minutes. I spent some time really just absorbing the textures that I was noticing. I noticed texture in the sky, the clouds continued to draw me. And then I noticed texture in the human-made environment around me. So I wrote, there's texture in the clouds. They are layered and smooth and looked as if they just got swept, blended and blurred across the sky, like just this kind of sweeping motion. And maybe they are being swept by the wind up there and other air currents and forces that are moving them around, like thermals and things that the birds ride on. So the warm air currents, you never know. And then there is texture in the pavers below my feet. Wow, that's some really pretty, I have to stop and acknowledge the beautiful birdsong. There is texture in the pavers below my feet. Human-made sedimentary rock, all conglomerated together. Like, I thought about it being shaped and molded and done so in an intentional way. And I'm sitting on this kind of, wow, the bird must be right there. Beautiful. It's right in the bush. Sometimes we have to pause for the wonder that is all around. Okay. So definitely coming from a heart-centered space here, listening to that beauty being a witness to that wonder. That I feel honored to be in the presence of that beautiful serenade there. I just get to be a witness of it. I am sure I'm not the intended audience, but who knows? Like, imagine the language of that song and what it's saying. I think it's really important to pause for that moment of wonder and just experience it and bathe in it and enjoy it and live in that moment, live in the moment and the beauty of birdsong, and the bird has left, but what a gift, what a gift. So for the sketching prompt, I live in a place where it's soon going to be fall before we know it, and I'm already seeing signs of fall. So this is an acorn from a red oak tree, Quercus rubra, and there's so much to love about acorns. This is like something I could study and study with sketching. Also, something that you can't see, I'll have to bring with me another video, is the inside of the acorn top, the inside of the little hat. When the seed part is not in there anymore, the interior of the hat is super, super cool. So if we're looking at texture today, the top of the hat is an amazing thing to look at. So I'm going to do a quick sketch of this. All right, here's my acorn. I'm just going to do a really quick gesture drawing of it, just to get a feel and sense of it. There are these scales, so I'm just kind of giving a sense for them. It's kind of a starburst. This is an abstracted acorn top, much less uniform. I think I'm gonna do some acorn studies for this channel for sure. Some more in-depth drawings. But I think I'm getting the spirit of it. It's definitely cosmic. There we go. Quick nature connection. And definitely some heart touching happening with the bird song, and just being out in nature, seeing the beauty in the tiny and in the huge. See you tomorrow.